Today I'm going to show you 5 different ways to use ChatGPT to make money online. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you take your online business to the next level. As someone who's been using ChatGPT in my own online business, I can personally attest to its effectiveness. It's been a complete game changer for me, allowing me to automate many aspects of my business and free up my time to focus on other important tasks. As a first method, you can use ChatGPT for Make Money. Write product descriptions. I'll use this store as an example. This seller sells wall arts, and let's create a description like this. I am taking this as an example. You can start an Etsy shop like this using ChatGPT and earn passive income. Okay, enter your question in the chat box. I'm asking this AI tool to create a product description for printable wall arts. Let's wait and see what happens. As you can see, this AI also has a written product description. This is a really good description and you should copy it and paste your Etsy shop. This is first method. You can use ChatGPT for Make Money online. Without wasting time, start now your Etsy shop and start earning money. Okay, let's jump into second method. The next way that you can use ChatGPT with your online business is to come up with winning product ideas. It doesn't matter if you have an e-commerce business or an affiliate marketing business. ChatGPT can help you find the next product that you might want to sell. Let me give you an example. If you have an e-commerce business and you're struggling to come up with new product ideas, all you need to do is ask ChatGPT a simple question. You can ask something like, "Can you give me 10 winning product ideas for my e-commerce business that's going to give me the best chance of success?" And as you can see on the screen now, it's going to be able to come back with all of these different products. Sometimes you may not be able to find a winning product from the first response, so you may want to ask it to give you 10 more winning product ideas. But that's not all. When it comes to coming up with ideas for which affiliate product is the best one to promote, you can use ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT is an amazing tool that can help you with all aspects of your online business. So, there you have it. If you're struggling to come up with new product ideas or want to know what your customers are looking for, give ChatGPT a try. It's an easy and effective way to give you that spark when it comes to coming up with the next product that you might want to sell. The third way to use ChatGPT to make money is to create video scripts. You can go to YouTube and create a new channel under any niche. For example, if you're running a channel related to the health niche, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a script for a video on 10 fat loss exercises that can be done without going to the gym. Whether your channel is going to be posting YouTube shorts or long-form content, you can utilize this powerful bot to give you a script for whatever direction you're looking to go down. Additionally, you can use it to help you with the actual YouTube video description. Once you've got the script, you can copy it and use any video editing software to make the video. Fourth way to use ChatGPT to make money is social media management. Social media management is becoming more and more popular each year, and more businesses are in need of a social media presence. As a result, there's an increasing demand for social media management services. You can offer your services directly to businesses or create gigs on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. With the help of ChatGPT, you can develop a content strategy and write engaging social media posts and captions. But keep in mind, social media management also involves tasks such as choosing and editing images and responding to comments, which will still require your personal attention and effort. Fifth way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for each sale. It's a simple way to make money online, and with the help of ChatGPT, it can be even easier. ChatGPT can assist you in finding products to promote and creating high-converting marketing campaigns. So those are the 5 businesses you can start from the comfort of your own home using ChatGPT. With the help of this tool, you can turn your passion into a profitable business in no time. Leave a comment down below if you want more information on any of these businesses, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this.